10 things to instantly relieve lower back pain. The number one thing is the most important of all and can relieve your lower back instantly in minutes. Number 10. Posture. Did you know that your posture throughout the day might be affecting the health of your back? For those who train, maintaining good posture is even more essential, especially when performing exercises at the gym. If you spend a lot of time sitting, whether at work or driving, you may be straining your lower back in ways you don't even realize, which can contribute to your back pain. To correct this, try adjusting your sitting position and pay attention to your posture throughout the day. It may seem like a simple thing, but it can provide instant relief from lower back pain. The simple act of getting up and stretching your spine regularly can already bring immediate relief to your body, and you will feel the reduction in pain. Additionally, maintaining correct posture during workouts, especially in exercises that require more focus on execution, can help improve the health of your lower back and your back as a whole. Therefore, include exercises like squats and deadlifts in your workouts. This way, you will be contributing to the health of your lower back and obtaining immediate relief from pain. Number 9. Specific stretching. Maintaining flexibility is crucial for preventing and relieving lower back pain, especially after the age of 50. Over time, muscles tend to become stiffer, increasing the risk of injuries during workouts or in simple daily activities. Therefore, having better flexibility in your body is essential and indispensable for men over 50. To achieve this, it is important to incorporate simple yet effective stretches to relieve lower back pain. Spending about 10 minutes a day on these stretches can improve tension in your back and hips, providing significant relief. Remember that these stretches should focus on the lower part of your back to cause quicker relief. A good example of a stretch is one that involves the piriformis and quadriceps muscles. With these exercises, you will relieve pressure on the lower back and improve your range of motion. Additionally, incorporating stretches of 10 to 15 minutes before and after workouts can not only relieve lower back pain, but also enhance your overall performance in physical activities. So don't skip this essential phase. In this video, I will also show you a simple exercise that can relieve your back pain in just 10 minutes. Don't miss it. Number 8. Strengthen the core. If you experience lower back pain, one of the main causes may be core weakness. This condition is often associated with lower back pain, as the core does not just refer to defined abdominal muscles, but rather to all the muscles that encompass the center of the body and support the spine. It is crucial to give proper attention to this area and strengthen it to quickly relieve the lower back pain that is bothering you. Therefore, pay attention to these tips for effectively strengthening your core. Perform core strengthening exercises such as planks, leg raises, and hypopressive abs. These exercises help build a solid foundation that protects the lower back during more intense workouts, such as weightlifting. Incorporate these exercises regularly, dedicating about 10 to 15 minutes before your workout, especially if you have been dealing with lower back pain for a long time. This strengthening can provide instant relief and help prevent the pain from returning in the future. Make sure to perform the exercises correctly, always paying attention to your form. This way, you not only maximize the benefits, but also avoid further injuries. Remember, strengthening the core is a fundamental part of taking care of your lower back health. Before we continue, I ask you to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. And don't forget to leave in the comments which of these techniques you already use to relieve lower back pain. I will respond to everyone. Number 7. Diaphragmatic breathing. This technique may surprise you by quickly relieving your pain. Diaphragmatic breathing may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you experience back pain, especially because it is not very common here in the United States. However, believe me, it makes a huge difference and can improve your pain in just minutes. Muscle tension caused by stress or even pain can be instantly relieved with deep and controlled breathing. This approach is simple and effective, as I will explain now. By breathing deeply through the diaphragm, rather than just the lungs, you relax the tense muscles, reducing pressure on the lower back and consequently alleviating the pain. This technique is extremely helpful during and after workouts, or when you experience recurring lower back pain, even when not training. It is especially effective when tension starts to build up in the lower back. Therefore, practice this calmly and peacefully, focusing on your breathing. Take a few minutes to practice this technique whenever you feel discomfort in your back. Over time, you will notice how this practice can become a powerful ally in your healthcare routine. Breathing correctly not only alleviates pain, but also promotes a state of overall relaxation, contributing to your well-being. Number 6. Alternating between cold and heat. The use of hot and cold compresses is an ancient technique, but still extremely effective for relieving lower back pain, especially for those who engage in intense physical activities. If your pain is caused by inflammation or muscle injury, applying ice to the affected area can help reduce inflammation quickly, often in less than 20 minutes. Furthermore, after a few days of using this technique, switching to hot compresses can be extremely beneficial. Heat helps relax tense muscles and improves blood circulation, also contributing to cardiovascular health. This combination of cold and heat not only relieves pain, but also accelerates the recovery process. In this video, I will show you one of the key techniques that will make you feel relief in your lower back in less than 10 minutes in a simple and surprising way, something no one has ever shown you. So, stay tuned and get ready to experience this approach that can transform the way you deal with lower back pain. Number 5. Low-impact activities. It may seem contradictory, but let me explain. Sometimes the best way to relieve back pain is to keep moving, but at a slower pace. Low-impact activities, such as swimming, walking, or cycling, help alleviate your lower back pain quickly and steadily, while also strengthening your core, which is extremely important. These activities keep the joints moving without overloading the spine, helping to maintain active blood circulation and relax the muscles. By incorporating a day or two of low-impact exercises into your routine, you can not only relieve pain, but also keep your body active and fit. Adopting this approach can make a significant difference in your quality of life, allowing you to no longer feel constant back pain. Remember that moderate physical activity is a powerful ally in the fight against lower back pain, so don't hesitate to move gently and in a controlled manner. Number 4. Massage. If you are dealing with chronic lower back pain, a massage can be one of the quickest ways to relieve tension and promote muscle relaxation in your body. This technique is very common here in the United States and is used by many high-level athletes and fitness enthusiasts who already know the power of massage when it comes to back pain. Therefore, incorporating this practice into your daily routine, especially before workouts or after high-intensity activities, can make all the difference. If you can rely on a professional massage therapist, that will be even better. However, if not, you can use tools like foam rollers, which are extremely effective for releasing muscle tension and promoting deep relaxation throughout the body. Devoting 10 to 30 minutes to regular massage can help not only relieve lower back pain, but also prevent it from returning. Additionally, this practice contributes to improving your performance in workouts, allowing you to move with more freedom and comfort. Therefore, consider including massage as an essential part of your self-care and wellness routine. Number 3. Meditation. If daily stress is affecting your ability to stay active, know that it may be directly related to lower back pain. When the body is under stress, muscle tension increases, especially in the back. This means that whenever you feel more stressed, not only will your workouts and muscle gains be affected, but your back may also suffer. Practices such as meditation, yoga, and mindfulness can be extremely beneficial for reducing stress and, consequently, the pain you are feeling. When you relax your body and mind, the muscles also loosen, preventing lower back pain from worsening and avoiding more serious issues in the future. Incorporating 10 to 20 minutes of meditation into your daily routine can not only relieve pain, but also improve your focus during workouts and enhance your overall quality of life. This simple practice can bring the necessary balance to your daily life, allowing you to face challenges with a calmer mind and a more relaxed body. So, if you haven't tried it yet, take some time for yourself and discover the benefits of meditation for your physical and mental health. Number 2, ergonomics. If you spend many hours sitting during the day, it is essential to adjust your work environment to support your back health. This is crucial to prevent further lower back pain. For those who train, poor ergonomics can hinder muscle recovery and contribute to increased lower back pain without you even realizing it. Adjust your posture so that your back is not slumped, but rather in an upright position with your chest out. This ergonomic change will not only help relieve your pain, but will also make you feel stronger and more energized. Adjust your chair, set the height of your computer screen, and use accessories like lumbar supports to keep your spine aligned and avoid issues. Additionally, it is crucial to take regular breaks to stand up, stretch, and adjust your posture. Small adjustments to your routine can make a huge difference in preventing pain and injuries, making you a stronger and healthier man. Number 1, sleep habits. Quality sleep is one of the most important factors for those who train and wish to stay healthy. We have discussed this on our channel, especially in the context of muscle gain and recovery. However, sleep can also directly impact your lower back, especially if you sleep in an incorrect position. This habit can lead to serious issues with your back. An unsuitable mattress or a wrong sleeping position may be the reason you wake up with back pain. To relieve this pain simply and quickly, you just need to adjust your sleep habits, particularly your posture and the place where you sleep. Make sure your mattress provides adequate support for your spine and avoid sleeping on your stomach, as this position puts extra strain on the lower back. Sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees or on your back with a pillow under your knees helps keep your spine aligned and prevents pain. Make these changes in your routine and you may experience instant relief from lower back pain. Leave your comment on which tips you already apply to relieve your lower back pain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps us a lot. Click on the video that is appearing on your screen to continue our conversation.